Events such as fires and major systems failures occur without warning. When they do, time is of the essence. Effective evacuation procedures are a must in today's high-rise society. Getting people out in a calm, efficient and safe fashion is paramount, and it's often the power supply that is the first vital service to go down, making evacuation procedures slower and more dangerous. Now imagine a system that doesn't require electricity and yet provides an illuminated emergency evacuation system 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Revolutionary photoluminescent pigments developed here in Australia. These pigments can be directly incorporated into many different types of plastics, resins, inks, dyes and paints, and are suitable for moulding and extruding. They also have the advantage of being much more cost-effective and maintaining significantly higher rate strategies, but is an additional safety feature, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries and liability. The Allure Glow system provides a strong, non-powered point of visual reference when darkness descends. The pigment used is non-hazardous and environmentally safe. When exposed to light for a few minutes, the pigment's electrons are excited, giving them a higher energy coefficient than normal. In the dark, the excited pigment releases this energy as a light the human eye sees as a glow. This glow persists for 8 to 12 hours in total darkness and is recharged every time the pigment is exposed to light. This ability to recharge itself makes it the most reliable system available for identification in the dark. The system incorporates a series of photoluminescent components designed to be quickly and simply installed. There is no structural work required, and the system is virtually maintenance-free. Included in the system are safety handrails, co-extruded from Shore Grip slip-resistant EVA, with 3 safety yellow luminescent strips for easy identification in the dark. Safety stair nosing, like the handrails, these are co-extruded from Shore Step slip-resistant EVA and have glowing strips on the top and one on the stair nose. It also comes in aluminium with a 50mm glowing insert. Both the handrails and stair nosing provide superior grip and no-slip characteristics in any situation, reducing the risk of slips, trips and falls every hour of every day. Safety wall skirting co-extruded from Shore Guide EVA with one large 15mm photoluminescent strip. Glowing signage such as exit, directional exit, International Running Man and fire extinguisher signs help to identify safe exit points and aid in fire control situations. Luminous evacuation site floor plans, an indispensable part of any evacuation strategy. Safety delineation tape and ribbon both come with or without adhesive backing and can be used to delineate doors and stairs. Safety door handle delineation, made from durable luminous EVA. Directional arrows with an adhesive backing to point the way to safety. Luminous safety yellow guidance floor paint, ideal for line marking on factory, warehouse and workshop floors. Together with traditional electrical systems, they form a comprehensive and valuable ancillary emergency evacuation system that requires no power to operate and guides the way to safety in blackout conditions. It's there when you need it. The Allure Glow Emergency Evacuation and Guidance System has been designed and developed in Australia to the most stringent international standards. It is manufactured from the highest quality materials, using the very latest photoluminescent technology to ensure years of trouble-free protection.